Hello pals, it's your buddy Teddy here, and guess what? Today, we're going to have a spooktacular time drawing a scary werewolf for Halloween. Let's get started on our creepy creation. First, draw those ferocious, angry eyes. Next, give our werewolf a big, bold nose. Now, let's add those pointy, sharp teeth that make this creature so fearsome. Watch out for those fangs. Moving on, let's draw its ears and head. Now, let's add some wild facial hair. This werewolf needs to look extra hairy, just like a wolf. After that, it's time to draw the torso, and don't forget to give it some strong, clawed arms. Our werewolf is super powerful. Now, let's add those wolfy legs down below. Make him hairy and fierce. Lastly, add some spooky, grungy textures all over our werewolf. This will make it look even scarier for Halloween night. And there you have it, a terrifyingly awesome werewolf. That's all for today, my friends. If you had fun drawing this spooky creature, please give us a thumbs up, share this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic drawing adventures.